Here's the Saramonic transmitter and receiver. For the receiver, you're simply going to flip to the side, flip the power switch to the on position, and you're going to take your 3.5mm headphone jack and plug it into the microphone slot on the side of the DSLR. For the transmitter, you're simply going to do the same thing, but instead of the 3.5mm headphone jack, you're going to plug your lapel microphone into it and go ahead and clip that onto the collar of your shirt. Here we have the Sennheiser Pelican case to keep everything in order, with the plug-on transmitter and the body packs. Here we have the receiver. Simply press the two buttons on the side to reveal the batteries and the on-off switch. And for the transmitter, just like we did on the Saramonic, you will simply plug the Sennheiser into the side port on the DSLR. And on the transmitter, you're going to do the same thing. The on-off switch, hold it down to power on. And you'll simply use the set button and the up and down arrows to navigate through the settings and make sure that it is not muted. And same thing here, go ahead and clip the lapel microphone onto your shirt. The Sennheiser plug-on transmitter is basically the same concept. Hold the on-off switch to power on. Use the set button and the arrow keys to navigate through the settings. And make sure that you are on the same frequency as your receiver or you will not be picking up any audio. You simply take the plug-on transmitter and you go ahead and plug it on. Make sure that the three prongs are aligned and go ahead and twist the collar to lock it in place, like so. When using the DSLR, you have to use the knob on the top to switch the mode to M, which means manual, and you're going to go ahead and go into the settings until you see sound recording, and you're going to go ahead and change that setting to manual, and you're good to go. If you're going to be using the Sony, you're going to go ahead and take your receiver and unplug the 3.5mm headphone jack and go ahead and plug in the adapter, which will fit directly into the DSLR's microphone slot. And you're good to go.